Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are going to be learning about how to multiply two-digit by one-digit numbers using the area model. So we have two numbers here. We have the number 41 and 6. Before we can get started with our multiplication, we have to break down our number 41 into the tens and into the ones place. So for example, in 41, there are 4 tens, which equals 40. And there's 1, which is 1. So it'd be 40 plus 1. And then in this other box over here, we're going to put our other number, which is 6. Okay, great. So now that we have our numbers set up, we can begin to multiply. So if we look at our numbers, we have 6 times 40. Now, I know that 6 times 4 is 24, but since I am multiplying by 40, I have to add my 0. So it'd be 6 times 40 is 240. And now I'm going to do the same thing with my ones. So I have 6 times 1, which we know is 6. Great, now that we have multiplied our two numbers together, we're going to add those two together on the side over here. So we have 240 plus 6 equals 246. Therefore, 41 times 6 is 246. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you next time. Bye.